Hey Humvee owners, today we're going to be looking at the canvas cargo extension on my M998. Looking at the other day, it's brittle, it's faded, perforated on the top. The nylon straps are disintegrating, buckles are broken. I think it's time we need to replace it. Okay, so today in the mail we received a little package, and it looks like a brand spanking new cargo cover from AM General. Take a look at this. Oh yeah, brand new, big difference. Oh yeah, this is gonna work nicely. So let's take a look at how these things are held together. Looks like we have some, I'm gonna call those little turnbuckle knobs, keyholes, over a metal frame. Yeah, everything kind of gets wrapped, goes through this. Some Velcro. Looks pretty straightforward. And everything on the outside is held together through these little key tabs. And then buckles just like that. Hold everything together. So very, very simple. Okay, let's get this thing off and see what's underneath. Okay, so once you get the side buckles off, undo the back keys and just pitch this whole thing forward. Then that's going to loosen up all the tension on these guys right here, and that should come off nice and easy. Sweet. Okay, so once that's off, then the only thing we're dealing with is this Velcro rim, which I have a feeling if I just grab that, and that's it. Okay, so now that everything is off, what we have here is a simple skeletonized frame. Everything is stabilized with that cross member there, but the whole thing pitches. The control of this is done via these tension straps, fore and aft. So very, very simple. If you wanted to take everything off, looks like just some cutter clips. Everything pops out, and this whole thing can come off. Otherwise, Phillips screwdriver takes off the center line, and then you can pitch this back one forward and cruise around. I guess even to make it more mobile, you can get rid of this. Make your own straps to connect that bar to this bar. So under tension, it's perfect width, and then you can just fold it up kind of more on the fly than having to undo that solid bar. So pretty straightforward construction. Okay, so now that we have the old cover off, bring the new cover on, almost bring it to the Velcro to Velcro. Easy way to keep the Velcro on the main part of the top, keep that closed so the Velcro from the cargo cover doesn't get caught up and hang you up like that every time you go to move something. But we're just going to reverse the order of operation. So on this inside tab, fold it under, put the keys through the little eyes here, and just going to reverse our remote order. And once you do this right here, then this is going to set up the position for everything else, and it should be pretty straightforward from there. Now that we have this internal flap buckled on the inside, everything should be in position. You can go ahead, expose the Velcro on the main portion of the top, and apply the Velcro to the cargo cover, and just go all the way around both sides. edges lined up and secure. Always have a little bit of excess, and then just go ahead and seal it back up with the overlap. And we are done. Okay. So that project took, now realistically I'd say you can knock it out in 10 minutes easy. Yeah, new ones are very nice. Nice solid construction. Buckles are in top shape. Velcro, pretty easy. So we started buckling that first, positioned everything for us. Transitioned to the back side, positioned everything for us. Plenty of room. One modification I do intend on making is kind of like a takeoff from what I said before. If you said got rid of this bar right here, but also if you added your own webbing, some 1 or 2 inch webbing, and tacked it from that bar to the back one here, and maybe even did 2 rows. What that's going to do, actually, that's going to prevent water from pooling and dirt from accumulating and potentially deteriorating the material faster than it needs to, for nature to do its thing. But it's also going to keep everything up and taut, and again, water will shed instead of having to if you take it off the next hot day from a previous rainstorm the day before, water won't be pouring off like it did to me earlier. But that's it. This goes down. New zippers. Oh yeah, piece of cake, and I actually can see through this one too. So yeah, nice and easy. Clean cargo extension replace, the M998. Have a great day. Post your videos, don't forget.